We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. If you refer to our analysis, we have been looking for buy since the price was here. And as we can see, the price broke 2.2 as the first target. And the second target we have been looking for was 2.5. Anyway, after we see this correction, that's why I mentioned from now, if you want to look for buy, you need to be really careful. And this is where we could expect the price to drop. That's why we mentioned if the price is going to drop, this is the levels we can look for. All right. And as we can see, the price even broke with that 1.83 drop more than what we expected, and mostly this drop we could see for most of the chart for the crypto market. All right, anyway, right now we see the prices within this move, and we don't need these lines anymore because we were expecting the price to drop, but not as much, because the lowest price we were looking for was 1.83. Okay, and we don't need these lines anymore. May I put back, we don't need this 2 line. All right, now we want to see what's the next. Anyway, we start with the daily chart, and maybe we refer to the weekly. All right, now the question is whether this is the one is going to break the top, or this is the correction relative to this. If this one is going to be a correction relative to this, even we can expect the price to low tag somewhere around 0.8. All right, that's why the breakout of the previous top is quite important for us. I don't want to see the price is going to drop, but if you want to look for buy, we need to be really careful. All right, and if you move to 1 hour chart, at this point we don't have any trades that we want to see, because as we can see, the price dropped quite a lot. We want to see what's the next. We have to wait, and mostly we are expecting to see the correction similar to what we get here based on lower time frame. I think the possibility to see the correction based on daily is very less. When I say the correction, I mean the deep correction. All right, anyway, if we want to look for the reversal, we have to wait for the trade setup. And if you move to forward chart, even we don't see any trade or any correction. All right, unless we see the reversal following the flag, we take the trade. But what are we looking for? We're looking to see the deeper correction here, drop. That's mean the price consolidate here for a longer time before we get the next trade. This is what we're looking for. Even when I say drop, I don't think the next drop is going to tag the lowest price of this move. Mostly we will prefer to see the price consolidate here before we see the reversal. It can give us opportunity to look for buy. That's mean if you get any opportunity for buy at this point, we consider as a short term. And if you move to 1 hour chart, even we don't have any trade setup, right? Having entry above this, I won't suggest it, because what I'm expecting the price reverse drop at least before we get the next drop, next rear move, right? By the way, the only option is if we get the reversal as a short move flag, we take the trade. This is the simplest way. But at this point, we don't have any trade setup. We have to wait. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.